Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to this Sunday service this morning. So I hope you enjoyed the baseball last night. As you know, I'm a big baseball fan. Yesterday was the World Series Game 7, then I was ready to watch, by the time, maybe around 5 o'clock. So I was ready to turn on the TV, but always something happens, when, we have some important day, important time. So when I turn on the TV, somehow TV was disconnected. So I was in panic. Game 7, Ohtani is pitching. I have to watch. So I looked at all the, code, if it is, connect, everything all right or not, then everything looks okay. So I kind of gave up watching the TV. So I tried to find some other way to watch those baseball. So go to the internet and look for, is there any other way to watch? Then first I tried one thing, but didn't work. So I couldn't watch. Then finally, I have to subscribe some other program, but I was able to watch. So I missed the first couple innings, but I was able to watch. I was relieved. I really enjoyed, after Mariners lost, I was okay, who won the World Series. I just enjoy watching the baseball last night. That was an exciting game. Congratulations. If those who are Dodgers fans, congratulations. The Blue Jays fans, that's a really great game last night. Yeah, not only the last game, entire World Series I really enjoyed as a baseball fan. I'd like to thank both teams for me to enjoy watching those wonderful, wonderful World Series. I hope next year Mariners is going to the World Series. They won the world champion. So today's a Sunday service, then temple cleanup day today. Yeah, temple cleanup day today. Cleanup is really important. So cleaning the floor, the walls, the temple building, the cleaning those buildings, but at the same time, we are also cleaning our heart and mind too. We are organizing things. At the same time, we are organizing our mind, our heart and mind too. So cleaning is, I feel, one of the important Buddhist practice. Something unnecessary things, we have to throw away. We shouldn't attach to things too much. If unnecessary things happen, we throw away. If something is put someplace else, we have to, something is back to the original place. So that is using these actions, cleaning, we are trying to organize our heart and mind too. So I'd like to introduce one story of Buddhism and cleaning. Please go to the next slide. So one Shakyamuni Buddha's disciple, his name is Shurai Handoki. Shurai Handoki. In the ancient Indian language, his name was Chuda Pantaka. Chuda Pantaka. His name was listed in the sutra too. He is one of the important disciples of Shakyamuni Buddha. Shurai Handoki has an older brother too. The older brother also the Shakyamuni Buddha's disciple. Both, older brother, younger brother, both became the Shakyamuni Buddha's disciple. The older brother, he was so smart. He was so wise and smart. He memorized all the important teachings, understood Shakyamuni Buddha's guidance. Then he was able to do all difficult practices too. He was one of the best Shakyamuni Buddha's disciple. What do you think about Shuri Handoku, younger brother? You can imagine probably. On the other hand, Shuri Handoku, well, I think he was trying his best, but he couldn't remember all the important teachings. He couldn't understand all these difficult Buddhist teachings. So even when Shakyamuni Buddha or other teacher gave him some simple guidance or teaching, after 3 steps, he forgot everything. Sounds familiar, right? When you listen to really nice Dharma message here in the gym, once you exit, what's happened? You're already thinking about something else, maybe. Oh, I should eat for lunch, or baseball for me. You know, that's us. I think I am just like a Chuda Pantaka, Shuri Handoku. So because of, Shuri Handoku was something like that, older brother told him, hey, I don't think you can be the Shakyamuni Buddha's disciple anymore, because even the simple teachings you don't understand, you cannot memorize. You should leave here. You should go home. Shuri Handoku was so sad. Then he was crying at the outside. Then Shakyamuni Buddha came to Shuri Handoku and asked him, what's happened? Why are you crying? Then Shuri Handoku replied, I cannot remember even the simple teachings. I am so foolish being. I cannot be Shakyamuni Buddha's your disciple anymore. I cannot be here. I have to leave here. Then Shakyamuni Buddha says, that's not true. You are not foolish being. People who know how foolish they are, how imperfect they are, they have true wisdom. These people are really wise people, people who do not know their imperfectness. These people called foolish. You already know yourself. You already know what you cannot do. That's, you have the wisdom. Please go to the next slide. Oh, that's Shakyamuni Buddha. Okay, go to the next slide. Then Shakyamuni Buddha gave him 1 item. The item was broom. Then he said, I give you 1 important practice, important guidance. From today, you clean the temple, you clean this place every day and recite, removing dust away, removing dirt away. You can remember this simple word, right? Then Shuri Handoku received Shakyamuni Buddha's guidance. Then in the word which was given by Shakyamuni Buddha, removing the dirt away, removing the dust away, for 1 month, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, more, 20 years. Shuri Handoku keep cleaning the temple every day for 20 years. Then he really realized removing the dust away, removing the dirt away from means dust and dirt from our mind. We have to clean our heart and mind. So through the cleaning, these actions, he understood what the Shakyamuni Buddha's intention, why he gave him the broom and this guidance, removing the dust away, removing the dirt away, which means removing the dust away from our heart and mind, removing the dirt away from our heart and mind. He just continued, rather than learning difficult teachings, or the philosophy or difficult practices, he just did one important practice. That was cleaning the temple. When probably you heard this story before too, but when I was thinking about Dharma message for this Sunday today, then when I was thinking about this story of Shurai Handoki, I thought, Shurai Handoki was practicing 6 parameters through this cleaning. Please go to the next slide. Thank you. So the first, I can start from the number 2. First, Shurai Handoki was just following the Shakyamuni Buddha's guidance. It could be the number 2, second parameter, shila, jikai, or precept. Then he was keep sweeping without complaining. Usually, I complain. If someone asks me, you just do cleaning for every day, maybe 1 day, 2 days, okay, but maybe 3 days, I don't know if I can continue doing that. I maybe start complaining. Why do I have to do that? I should do something else. I should have some other practice. But Shurai Handoki just followed the Shakyamuni Buddha's guidance. Then he was able to continue practicing the cleaning, keeping sweeping without complaining. Then number 4, virya, shojin, keeping sweeping, and for 20 years, he accomplished it. Then number 5, dhyana, zenjo, the meditation. Through the cleaning, he did the meditation, reflecting upon himself, myself, through sweeping. Then he realized his foolishness and imperfectness. In Buddhism, that is a wisdom. Wisdom eyes, prajna. That's number 6 parameters. So through number 2 and number 6, this became dana. All the cleaning, this action, without doing the complaining, doing, just for himself, with appreciation. It is the dana. Through, when I was thinking about the story of Shurai Handoki, I really came up with these 6 parameters. Probably Dharma school students maybe memorized 6 parameters. I think this is one way we can apply this 6 parameter in our daily life, in our daily routine or actions. So probably, after we close this Sunday service, we clean the temple. You may be practicing 6 parameters. If you can continue for 20 years for every day, you may be attaining enlightenment. So thank you for attending this Sunday service this morning. To conclude my Dharma message, please join me in Gassho. Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namanda, Namanda, Namanda.